This video we're gonna be making a sketch something like that. It is consisting pretty much entirely of circles. Yeah, so it's just everything is about circles in this sketch. So yeah, again, I'm gonna shamelessly ask you to subscribe to the channel because that is what's gonna support this. And like this video if you want, and drop a comment if you have any questions. And you can also give me suggestions on what I should do in the next video. You can drop me a link of a sketch that you can't have, or you can just ask me to draw a certain kind of sketch that I will happily oblige. And you can also reach out to me through my Instagram DMs, and I will be happily help you out. So again, we're gonna start off with a fresh slate here. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if it has any symmetries. And unfortunately in this um, sketch we don't have any. So we just have to do everything manually without using the mirror property that we mostly do. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw these um major axes or construction circles, construction lines. So that these are two vertical and the two horizontal axes. So the first thing you have to see is how you can divide up the sketch. So uh, these axes are going to help you doing that. So we got one here, then we have a big axis, big construction line over here, horizontal, and then we have one over here. And now, now it's time to construct them. Okay, so the distance between these two axes is 45. There you go. So we're gonna put 45. The distance between, what, we're gonna make this a on the origin. Just gonna make it easier. And there you go. Okay. So the distance between these two is 90. Um, where we have to draw our circle from. So we're going to use the intersection point. So what this is going to do is it's going to make a construction point at the intersection of these two lines. So I'm going to select this and that one, and it's made a circle. It's made a point here, and I'm going to do that again over here as well. So it's made a construction point, I believe. Yep, it has. Okay, so so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off with making these two concentric circles. I'm gonna take the circle tool, and I'm gonna deselect the construction slash standard elements because this is a standard element now, and the radius for the outer circle is 19. Can use arcs to make this, but there's no. It's gonna we. It's gonna take a lot. It's gonna take more energy, and it won't be efficient because we'd have to draw this arc and then this arc separately. So if I constrain it, sometimes it just auto constrains some part of the circle, so it gets very messy. So the best thing to do is just delete the element and then do it again, and avoid any auto constraints. So now we're gonna make these two concentric circles on this point. Okay, I'll just don't have to. Yeah, sorry. Constant. So we have to make these two concentric circles here at this point. The outer one being 20 millimeters in diameter radius, and the lower one being how much? The lower one being how much? 10 millimeters in diameter. Let me see if it's recording. Is it? It is, yes. Okay, so now now we have this arc here as well. We're just gonna make a circle. This is a circle. We have so we're gonna join these two circles so now we have this arc as well, and now we have to connect this arc and this arc with this bigger arc with the 98, 90, is it 96 or 98? 98 units of radius. So I'm going to make a very big circle here. And I'm going to tangentially constrain it first over here and then over here as well. Tangency constraint. Okay. And the radius of this is going to be 98 units. Okay, perfect. Now, now you might notice here this looks nothing like that, but trust me, once I start trim some things off of here, you're gonna see exactly what these things are. Oh, you know what? Let's just start trimming over here so it makes things easier. So I'm gonna trim off anything that we don't need. So we need this part. We don't need this bar here because obviously there's nothing here. We've gotten rid of this. We're gonna get rid of this circular arc here as well. And yeah, so now we have this thing. We only need this part now. So if you notice here, the circle, the point that we made here is still there. I'm gonna make a two concentric circles over here. The outer circular arc being 20 millimeters in radius. So I'm gonna make that 20, and the inner circle being at 10 units in radius. There you go, same as this one. So that has to be. So yeah, so now we don't need these parts over here. So I'm gonna quick trim them out. There you go. We don't need this as well. Okay, perfect. So we have this, and now we're just gonna make corners around there, so circular corners. So there's two options here. First, you can use the corner tool, or you can make a circle here and trim off the rest of it. But corner is easier to make, so I'm gonna use the corner tool bar here. I'm gonna make that 9 as in the diagram, and I'm gonna make another corner over here. There you go, and that has to be 9 as well. Okay, perfect. So now we have everything ready, I believe. Yeah. Okay, let's just take off all the constraints over here and see if it's ready. Like I'm gonna have to visually observe this. Yeah, that is perfect. Okay, So yeah, so in this technique, in this sketch, what we did not use the symmetrical property that we mostly use in our sketches, because most of the sketches are already symmetrical about a certain axis. So, but in this case, there was no symmetry whatsoever. So we used circular circles to define the arcs, and we just trimmed off the parts that we didn't need. So yeah, that's how you draw something like this here. That involves a lot of circles. um, yeah, that's all for this video, and I would highly appreciate if you could subscribe to this channel, because that's what's gonna help support this channel, and it's gonna help me in making more videos. And if you have any questions, drop a comment, DM me on Instagram, and make sure to drop a like on this video as well. So that's all for this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.